What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make relaxing ASMR videos of fruit or rock cutting using AI. This niche is blowing up right now on TikTok and YouTube, seriously going viral. And if you check Google Trends, it's off the charts. Who would have thought AI would extend into the ASMR world too? Traditional ASMR creators are probably shaking right now. All right, folks, let's take a quick look at this TikTok account. Only 15 posts, but already has 170K followers and 5.8 million likes. One of the videos even hit 25 million views. And the comments section? Super active. Lucky on YouTube, for now less people are doing this niche. So now is a great time for you to get started. So next, I'm going to walk you through the full process, step by step, and help you make your own ASMR-style video in under 10 minutes. So make sure you watch till the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. It really helps me a lot. All right, let's get started. Step 1. How to get the prompts. First, pick any ASMR video and copy the video link. Download it to your computer using this website. Then open up ChatGPT. Now drag the downloaded video into the chat box and enter this prompt. This is a popular TikTok ASMR video made with Google Veo 3. Please help me analyze the structure and factors that made it popular. Why I am using the prompts? Just because we'll use Google Veo 3 text to video feature to generate the video. As you know, Veo 3 automatically syncs sound effects, which saves us a ton of time. Very quickly, ChatGPT will give you a full analysis of the video. When it's done, it will ask, would you like a template structure or script format to help you recreate similar ASMR-style videos using Google Veo 3? I tried saying, yes, please. But honestly, the result wasn't that helpful. So I tried a different prompt instead. Videos of this kind should follow the following. Cutting fruits and vegetables made of various crystals at close range or volcanic rocks of different shapes. Note that it is an ASMR video and the focus is on the synchronization of movements and sound effects. Give me 5 ideas first. Not bad. The 5 ideas were decent. But I still felt like the prompts weren't detailed enough. So I followed up with this. Okay, for the 5 viral ASMR video ideas above, give me detailed Veo 3 text-to-video prompts for each that can be used directly in Veo 3. Each video should be 6-8 seconds long. Remember that Veo 3 supports audio sync, so the audio should be included in the prompts, just like a real ASMR video blogger would do. Now we're talking much better prompts. Step 2, generate the video. Let's copy the first prompt. Open Gemini, because Gemini has 3 free Veo 3 credits per day. Don't waste it out. Paste it in. Yes, I already prepared the result. Let's check it out. Notice how well the sound syncs with the slicing? It's super relaxing, right? Now just generate the rest of the clips, edit them together, and post your video. Of course, you can also create videos inside Google Flow. Before generating, just make sure to check your model settings. Choose Veo 3. You can pick between Veo 3 Fast and Veo 3 Quality, depending on your needs. Keep in mind, Veo 3 Fast costs only 20 credits per video. Veo 3 Quality uses 100 credits, but the results are top-notch. For me, I will prefer Veo 3 Fast with audio model. And what if you just want to focus on cutting fruit? No problem. Open ChatGPT again, same chat thread, and type, Imitate the first one. Rose quartz watermelon slice. Give me 5 more fruits, like strawberry, apple, grape, etc., with detailed VO3 prompts. The fruit skin should still keep its original color and shape, just made of rose quartz. That was just an example with 5. You can ask for any number you want. Boom, you've got endless video material. Same deal if you want to focus on lava rocks. Try this prompt. Imitate the second one. Volcanic rock kiwi with lava core. Give me 5 different shapes of volcanic rocks with a focus on lava flowing out after cutting and synchronized sound. Now you've got a bunch of fresh video ideas. Got more creative ideas? Let's talk about it in the comments. So, some of you might be wondering, what if I don't have Veo 3? Is there another way to do it? Absolutely, there is. Follow me. First, just like before, find a starting frame image. Then go to ChatGPT, upload the image, and enter this prompt. I want to make a video of this kind of thing. The picture is the starting frame of the video. And this video, Kling's animation prompt is a close-up of a hand holding a knife slicing bababa. It's a bit long, so I won't read the whole thing here. I'll share the full prompt for free in our WhatsApp channel. If you need it, go grab it there. Well, ChatGPT will give us 5 similar image prompts and Kling animation prompts. Just pick one you like. Go to Gemini AI, click on Image Generator, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. After it's done, pick one of the images and download it to your computer. Next, head over to Kling AI, upload the image you just saved, and paste the Kling AI prompt. As you can see, Kling 2.1 now has free sound effects built in. Make sure to check that box, then hit Generate. Now you'll probably have to wait a while, maybe even a few hours. But hey, it's free, right? Alright, the video is finally done. So, what do I think? Honestly, the results just don't look as good as Veo 3. What do you think? Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and share. That really motivates me to keep making more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, or want me to explore a specific niche, drop a comment below. I'll read every single one and reply. Also, all the prompts I used in this video, I'm sharing them for free on my WhatsApp. Check the video description and click the link to join. Feel free to stop by my channel anytime. You might discover something totally inspiring. Who knows, right? Thanks so much for watching. And now, to wrap things up, here's a little ASMR compilation I made to end the video on a relaxing note.